Hi, my name is Carol Adams, and I'm a director of Food Adventure Social Enterprise Limited. And today we're at the Wyndham Street Center in Riverside having a workshop for a project that I manage called Back to Our Roots, Growing and Sharing Without Borders. I was a part of the Soil Association My Food community, and we had an in-person session in Birmingham where we were thinking, what could we do in our community? And by chance, I was sitting at a table with a gentleman from Cameroon who's here today. And he showed me some photos of the food that he was growing from Cameroon in Birmingham. And I thought to myself, well, why can't we do this in Cardiff? There are shops in Cardiff that sell Afro-Caribbean veg, but they're not all over the place. I, for example, have to drive 30 minutes for a shop, and then I thought, well, gee, you know, I'm a climate activist driving in to get my imported okra and whatever. Let's see what I can do as an activist and someone who's concerned to lower my impact on the climate crisis. The other one was affordability. You know, imported veg, especially Afro-Caribbean veg, are really expensive. And the other thing is the more that I interact with people in the Food Cardiff network and other networks in Cardiff, there was a growing need for people of Black and Asian backgrounds to grow their own veg. And I also knew that people were concerned about the cost and the climate, and voila, Back to Our Roots was born. So today, we've had in-person sessions really from the start of the growing season. Many of the people in the room today have never grown anything in the UK before. So every other month we get together and we look at where we are in the growing season. And today we have members from the Kushinga Garden that were sharing about steps about creating community gardens and what you might want to look at in planning them and what they did. And as well, we're at that time of the season where you have to think about seed saving. So of course, you know, every year you can go out and buy seeds, but if you really enjoy the crop that you've grown, instead of spending money on seeds every year, you can save the seeds and keep growing, and most importantly, share the seeds. You know, part of our funding came from the My Food Community Soil Association. And as I talked to people, there were more people interested, and I thought, oh my goodness, I don't want to limit the numbers. And I was speaking to Pearl at Food Cardiff, and she said, oh, there's a grant coming out. So she signposted me to that. And fortunately, I was awarded the grant so that I could increase my numbers. It's really important for me to be a part of the good food movement in Cardiff because I feel that good food really needs to be affordable and accessible to everyone, fair to everyone and the people that grow them. And I think Food Cardiff is a network of wonderful people that are looking at the food system through various eyes. And to get around the table, we can make a difference.